Last we left off, I believe we had just finished redesigning our behavior tree. No more subtrees. I hate subtrees. I hate them. I never want to touch them again. But for now, I think what we have is solid. I think what we have is good. And I think the best part about this is the thing that makes me that gives me a lot of optimism for this design is that it doesn't really modify the greater behavior tree too much. It's just adding on one tiny piece. So I think it's going to turn out well. For right now, let's go ahead and make our custom nodes. I'm going to go ahead and delete the old ones because they suck. AR tag. I'll keep that. I'll get rid of this one. It just didn't pan out. It just didn't pan out. Alright, it's a shame. But it didn't work out for us in the end. And I think we're gonna get rid of them. Because I don't want to choke this up with plugins. We did that. Compute ARTag goals. And remove past AR tags. Okay, but we're keeping the AR tag condition check. I believe this is our single. We went from like 3 custom nodes to 1. So that's what we're gonna go. Oh, no, sorry, we have 2. Okay. Great. Big things. So for now, let's edit ARTagDetected to match this new functionality. On a side note, a nice little thing I've noticed is that before we had 3 nodes that all had to subscribe to AR tags. Now we just have 1 node that needs to subscribe because it's getting the goal information from here and passing it to this node. So we only have 1 subscriber now, which I think is also going to be good. So let's go ahead and figure out what we need to change here. So the first thing I believe is going to be let me get rid of all this. The input ports, right? The original had 2, and now we have 3. And we've also changed the names as well. So, condition node. What is this? Oh, this is incorrect. This ARTagDetected condition is a condition node that returns success when and failure otherwise. When an AR tag is detected and failure, when an AR tag has been detected in the last, and I think, yeah, we wanted the timer, right? I think we should have the timer be an input port. So it's like, has it seen an AR tag in the last second, the last 2, the last 5, the last 10? Like, do we want it to keep looking for the next 10 seconds, even if it no longer sees it during that time frame? So I think we can go ahead and I think we'll make that an input port because that's something that we want to change on the fly. Duration of detected AR tag. Wait, do we need this? How does this work? What have I designed here? So it sees an AR tag, and when it sees it for the first time, and there isn't a goal that's close to it, there isn't, what's the word I'm looking for here? So the way that this works is it sees an AR tag, and then in here, it'll get the goals array, and if the first goal isn't within this radius of the ARTagDetected goal, then we push it onto the stack. If it is within that radius, then we replace that one with we replace that first goal pose with the pose of the AR tag. And the rest of the navigate through pose subtree will handle the navigation to the AR tag. This also means we don't want to get too close to the via point. The ARTag goal will be a via point, and we don't want to get too close to it because it will be an obstacle. It won't be able to get too close to it. If we make this radius too small, it won't be able to clear the via point and it'll get stuck. So let's actually up this to 1. And this can be 1 as well, I think. So we don't actually need that timer functionality at all. Because if it even glimpses an AR tag, it will add it to the goals. If it sees it again, the same one, and it's, close enough to where it was seen before, then it'll update its position. So if it sees it, it's immediately going to go for it. So I actually don't even need... I don't need that timer functionality anymore. Well, isn't that convenient? Right. So what did we need to edit here? Don't need whatever this is. Has been detected. Unsuccessful when an AR tag has been detected, and failure otherwise. And input port to be seen IDs. The output port will be ID, and I believe goal, which is going to be... How are we doing this? Are we doing stamped goals? Oh, I got rid of the freaking... I got rid of the thing. I got rid of the code that I wrote that I implemented the goals array and stuff. Okay, good thing it's in the commit history. BT. Let's go ahead and pull it up. 2 commits behind, I have to rebase this. In here. Actually, wait, no, I don't even have to look in here. I can just look in the, taking back. Taking back. Alright, I can just go through the code. Man, this is slow. I believe... Okay, great. And we can split this. And what we want to do, compute ARTag goals. Great. And we're using post stamps. Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful. So in here, IDs, need that. And in here we're gonna do BT. Oh, sorry, no, I just need to do this. That, and then this is gonna be goal, right? That's what we called it. Goal. This is gonna be pose. Let me do great. Callback AR tag, detected, initialize tag, ID, tag found. Tag found. Why did we have that? So nothing needs to change here. Right, tag found. Oof. Right, now whether it's visited goals, can we replace that with scene IDs? Renaming. Oh, and this is wrong. I didn't even have the underscore in there. That can be ID. Okay, great. ARTagDetected. Oh, and I'll have to do tag pose. If tag found, if then false. Yeah, okay, we still need tag found then. for the same reasons as when we made it in the first place, which is just a very convenient way of me saying I can't really explain it properly. No, we need it because without tag found, we'll try to like access this tag ID variable, even though there might not be anything assigned to it because it hasn't found any markers yet, because the message that it's been returning has been null. So we should wait until this is set to true before we start checking and comparing the tag IDs. Otherwise, I feel like we're going to raise an error because it's going to be comparing a number, an integer, to... Well, no, because scene IDs will be empty at this point. So it wouldn't even iterate through, but it would do this. Yeah, it would try and set that, and that wouldn't really work. Yeah, so let's just leave it as it is, because I believe it's giving us the functionality we want. And then here we want to get the tag ID and the tag pose. And I believe, yeah, how does that work again? I'm going to do Aruko OpenC messages. And I want to see, damn, I want to see like the source code. Go. Jazzy. I believe it's just going to be the same. And then in the messages, marker pose. So for each marker, the marker ID pose. And it's not a pose stamped. It's just a pose message. So I'll need a few things then, because we want pose stamps. That's what nav2 uses for Jazzy. So we're going to need to get a header, and I believe that header can be got from the Aruko detection message, because it's header, and then it has a markers thing, because we're getting markers. So we can go ahead, so tag ID, and we can go tag header. Yes, message header. Marker. Yeah. Cool. So we can do that, and then I'll go ahead and add these two variables in here. So we're gonna have tag ID. We're gonna have hold on, get that, and we're gonna have oh Copilot. Thank you. That's what I was looking for. Standard message and message header, tag pose. Yes, cool. And over here, set output. So if we get to here, that means that we found the thing. We found we found a new AR tag that we've never seen before. So we're gonna do that, but that's not what we want. We want tag. Let's just do goal. And let's do, how do I do this? How do I instantiate goal? Compute ARTagGoals. I would have done it in here, right? Yeah, just like this. Yeah, okay, cool. So I'll just do that. Boom. Goal. And then goal dot edit tag header goal dot pose tag pose setup. Yeah, it's cool. And we should be good to go. Yeah. Set output, get input. I think we're done with ARTagDetected. So let's leave this for now. And how's my get status looking? Oops. Get status. Whoa! Changed this, I've changed that. Oh, and I also deleted these ones, that's right. I changed the model. Okay, cool. Great. And we need to make one more node, UpdateARTagGoal, which will be an action. So let's go ahead and get to it. Update AR tag. Did I do G or Q? G. Okay. Tag. Is it goals or goal? update ARTag goal. Update ARTag goal action dot, and these are what, HTTP? Can I copy? Oh, come on, rename. And then go ahead in here, and then great. And how do we want to do this? So this node is technically a copy of this one. So let's go ahead and just copy the, well, a copy. It's most similar in functionality and implementation to that node. So let's go ahead and I'm not looking at the nav2 repo. This is not it. Nav2. And this will be in behavior tree plugins. So here, action, and this is what remove. Great, so I'll take this. And I'll go ahead and take this as well. Great. Okay, progress. Alright, this should be Nova baby tree. ARTagGoal. Great. And action node base, remove past goals. Was this a condition that I had? Yes, I'll add the update ARTag goals. ARTag goal. Update ARTag goal action. Great. So okay. Was there there were additional ports, correct, that we need to add? Input goal, input goals. Input goal. I guess you could do goal to add as viewpoint, original goals to remove viewpoints, to add viewpoints to, and output goals with new viewpoints added or updated, radius to next goal for it to be considered an update. And this is all fine. Let's go. Oh, these can take defaults. That's good. And I 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why is the output like here? Kind of a weird spot for it. Okay, so we should have input goal, input goals, radius, global frame, river base frame, output goals. Nice. And I believe, yeah, we need all of this as well. Great. Nothing too much to be changed here. Here we are gonna need this. Instead it's going to be update AR tag action. The rest I think we can keep. Place all these. Place this one over. Okay, great. And I think we're good with that. Get input radius. Yeah, I need this. Yep. Nothing to change here. Goal poses. Wait. Ah, shit. Wrong one. Yeah, I'm gonna replace it. Give me a moment. And then that's the HPP, and then go ahead and update the CPP as well. And over here we're gonna need AirTag is implemented. UpdateARTagGoal is what we're up to. I've gone ahead and copied the similar functionality from the nav to repo, and now we just got to figure out what we need to change. So getting the radius, that's great. If goal pose is empty, what is if goal pose is empty? I guess we can leave that. Goals empty, return success. If goals is empty, let me think about something. If this node is ever getting ticked, that means that we have seen an AR tag. So this node never returns failure, right? Because when this node is ticked, we exist, like the assumption is we are existing in a world, in a scenario, where an AR tag has been detected. So we can go ahead and remove this. Can we? Yeah, because actually, basically, if it's empty, then we basically push. How do I want to like push add the goal to the goal poses. So if goal poses is empty, get input, input goal. Actually, we're going to have to go ahead and create one. So that goal, and then here's the thing, right? So goal poses is a goals object, and a goals object is a vector, and the vector, keep looking this up. A vector, do you have a pushback method? You do. Pushback the value, then the value is moved. Okay, see this appends. I don't want to append. I want to add to the front, which I think might be a more costly operation. But I believe it will be worth it. So let's go ahead and insert or in place. We don't want to push back. So inserts elements at the specified location in the container. So insert the output goal poses. Namespace, get the current pose. So it's not going to be the current pose. It's going to be get the current goal. And no, sorry, yeah, I don't need the current pose because the current pose, the pose that we're comparing in this case is just the goal. So I actually need to go ahead and do this here. What? Jeez. Thank you. Great goal. Why is it not blue? Worries me. Goal, and then maybe because something to do with a HPP? No. Okay, let's go back to this. Get input, goal, instantiate, if goal poses is empty, insert, and return success. Otherwise, I don't need to get the current pose. So I can get rid of this. While goal poses, so while there are via points existing, do I want to do that? This is removing via points. I just want to add one. So we're not doing a while loop here. We're not doing a while loop. There's no need for it. No need for it. And let's go ahead and... Oh, sorry, this is where it was. And let's go ahead and put that back. So distance to goal, and the goal dot pose. Yeah, cool. So goal poses. Nice. Euclidean distance, which I'm guessing is probably from here, right? I guess I can check. What are we actually getting from nav2 util? Oh no, this would be nav2 util geometry utils. Yeah, sorry, the HPP, my bad. In the wrong spot. Include nav2 util, geometry utils. How big is this? Not too big. Calculate path length. Yeah, so I guess, yeah, Euclidean distances from here. Yep, cool. Okay, so we need that. Distance to goal. Distance between, I guess distance to goal is fine, distance to goal. If I prefer between. Okay, so distance between goal. I might as well all go all the way then. Distance between goals. if it is less than, then we do the thing. Else, okay, if it's less, if the distance between the goals is less than the radius, then that means we overwrite the first pose, the begin pose, with the goal pose. If it is greater than the radius, then we insert the goal pose at the start of goal poses. So my thinking is, we're duplicating code. Why don't we just put this down here? But we have to have this up here, because if we're going to be accessing goal poses, we can't do that if goal poses is empty. It's going to throw an error. I guess we could do, can I initialize this to a value? Does that work? Can I do this? Hold up. Well, okay, sure. Great. Yeah, I should probably do point. Sorry, I thought it was an integer for some reason. I should probably do that. So I can do that, and then I can move this over here. What the hell? Do that. Oh, what is this? Someone I want it. I can do that. And then if, else. Oh, I guess I can do this. Actually, you know what? Okay, never mind. I prefer my if statements like this. But you know what? Everything else is written like the other way, so I'll just leave it. And yada 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 yada. You know what? I've had enough. I'm doing it. I cave immediately. Okay, great. Break, else, and then we can just copy this here. So we'll set it to 0 if, sorry, and this should be exclamation mark. If it's not empty, get this in between goals. Now, because the radius will always be a greater than 0 value, if goal poses is empty, then this will always evaluate to false and it will always go to here, at which point it can just do the same thing that it did up here. So we can now get rid of this. Right, something else I'm missing? Yep. Cool, because if it is within the viewpoint radius, then we're going to override it, but if it's not within, then we're going to insert it at the start, and we're going to do that to empty as well. Great. Okay, so in here now, Copilot, not now. What are we doing? We want to replace. Can I just do, maybe this is the Python in me. Can I just do this? I'll just do that. Oh, Lord. Probably not. Just replace. Overwrite. Oh, because this is a post stance, so I'll be overwriting the header as well. Do I want to be overwriting the header? I don't think I want to be overwriting the header. I don't think so. I don't think I want to be overwriting the header. So, can I do this? Chat. Can I do this? I knew it. I knew it. I assume and goal pose are properly defined early in your code. Yes. Trust me. Yep. Yeah, cool. I love that it's saying its assumptions. That's so nifty. You know what? That was really nice. Good response. So, I think we're done, dude. So we're going to initialize. It's going to get all this shit. Wait. The pose is relative to the map frame. So I don't actually need any of this. I don't need the transform, because there's no transforming happening. Because the goal pose is already in the map frame. So I actually don't need any of that. Beep. Oh, I don't need any of those ports either then. Shit. Alright. Bet. So goal poses, goal. Use that namespace, distance between goals. If there's no goal, then that's going to evaluate to false and we're going to add it. If there is a goal, we're going to get the distance between the current goal and the other one. And if it is within that radius, we're going to overwrite the pose. And we're only returning success. Right? This is on tick. Sick. Yeah, it only has to get the radius once. It does have to get new input goals and input goal. So we only need 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the other ports. So we don't need... so we just don't need these two. I'll go ahead and edit. Oh, I haven't added update. No, it should be in here. Buddy. Oh. I haven't saved it yet. Let me go ahead and actually remove it before I save it. Boom. Boom. Okay. Yep. Cool. And save. Great. So you... No? Was it gone? Oh, I know it's gone. I know exactly where it's gone. I'm gonna go ahead and add it. Boom. 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 Yeah, here it is. Buddy. Okay, cool. We can get rid of the rest of these. Yep. And then add this. This is an action node, right? So it's gonna be at the top. Editable. Alright, great. Cool. Close this. Save. What did I change in here? Oh, I changed that. And dude, I think we're done actually, which is crazy to me. What probably need to include. Oh, no, I guess I don't need to include post stamp because it would have imported it from here. Path? Don't need that. I do need the geometry utils. Don't need the vector because that's all included in here. And action node, robot utils I don't need. Oh, wait, if geometry utils is implemented here, do I even need it here? You know what? I don't want to find out. I don't want to find out. I don't want to find out. So, yeah, you know what? Let's play it safe, okay? Let's play it safe. In fact, yeah. Cool. Okay. Dude, let's give it a shot. Oh, wait, I still gotta go ahead and do all this. So we can go ahead and get rid of this one. And this one is now gonna become... oh, this one can just be UpdateARTagGoal. And this one can be UpdateARTagGoal. UpdateARTagGoal action. Yep. And then go to the nav2 parameters. And replace that one with this. Great. Anything else? Nope. I think we're good to rebuild. Well, to start the build process and see if we've implemented these correctly. Yeah, we're still recording. Thank God. I hadn't checked for a minute. Alright, let's go ahead and rebuild any errors. And then we will go ahead and run this behavior tree. How am I calling the behavior tree in the nav2 thing? I'm just going ahead. Okay, cool. So I don't have to rebuild every time I edit the behavior tree. It's good to know. Good stuff. Ah. Whoopsie. Okay. Where did I go wrong? Where did I go wrong? Oh. Did I not get rid of those? Nope. My bad. Cool. Oh, is this a correct name anymore? Viewpoint achieved within, because if it's less than that radius, I'm gonna say this is a viewpoint. Viewpoint overwrite tolerance, I think is a good way to put it. Viewpoint overwrite tolerance. And then in here, what's that? Right, go rid of that because I don't need it. Everything else is good. Alright, what else was there? Yes. Post stamped. There are no matching function. Or post stamped array. I'm a fool. Sorry. That's technically wrong. This is stamped. Goals. Yep. Cool. Anything else? Post stamped. Yep. Understood, my good sir. I saw something with like a marker pose error. Here we go. Marker. Ooh. I think I know what's going on there. Because the message is markers. And then marker ID pose. Oh no, but I didn't change this. Did I? That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Did I change this implementation? I think, yeah, to get the pose, but marker, yeah, marker.marker ID and marker.pose, which means tag. Oh, I see, I got the header wrong. Because I said to post stamped when it is just a pose. Oh no. Can't be doing that. Alright. Wait, do I even, whoa. Whoa. Don't even include this. Or this. Whiz. Oi, oi, oi. Go ahead and technically this should be down here. Go ahead and include this. And yeah. I think I don't really understand includes at all. I think I don't need to include it twice if it's already in the header, but screw it. What's the worst that could happen? Alright, let's try that again. Okay, hey, it built. Sick. No errors, no issues. Easy peasy. Alright. We're gonna run this behavior tree. And it's gonna fail. And I'm gonna spend the next 10 hours figuring out why. That's what's gonna happen, man. Alright, the behavior tree. I gotta clean this up because there's all these like these things. It doesn't like it when they're empty, so it freaks out. So let me go ahead and just delete all of these, and then we're gonna run this behavior tree, and it's not gonna work. No, it's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. I am giddy. Josh giddy? Alright. Let's do launch. Actually, you know what, Ivana, start can. Doesn't really. It only kills the can service. Order, bring up. This is it. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Believe. Believe. I believe. Hype up. It's gonna work. It's gonna fucking work, dude. Okay. Okay. Okay, you know what I want to do first? I want to work my way up to it. All right, let's just start with let's just put some stuff down. What? Wait. That shouldn't be. Oh, I fucked up, I guess. Okay, there we go. This is what I want. Let's do this. All right. Let's do some of this. Nav through poses. Bro, what? My fans are going crazy. Okay, what is happening, dude? Goals are rejected. Oh, node not recognized. Alright, hold up, everyone. Oh, so it's a good thing that we didn't jump straight into putting an AR tag. So, what happened? Error, node not recognized, update ARTagGoal. I have an idea. Is it because of this? Is it because I have action in here? Alright, run it back. Wait, what the hell? Alright, boom. Boom. Boom! Okay, we're booming out of our minds. Huge. Huge, 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 huge. Hold me now. 6 feet from the edge and I'm thinking maybe 6 feet is so far down. Am I still recording? I knew that. Can I can I add this AR tag, please? All right. We're gonna put a goal over there, and then it should like drive around here, and then it should like see the AR tag, and then we should see like a viewpoint. We should see a viewpoint there. Start. Going, it's going. Look at it. Oh, it's trying to get up in the fucking air. No. All right. Stay strong. Hold up. It'll be good. It'll be fine. Oh, okay, but see, this is the problem, right? Like the radius for this thing needs to be, what is that? That's like 3 meters. It needs to be like over 3 or 4 meters because it can't. It's trying to get close to the AR tag, but it sees it as an obstacle, so it can't actually like get to it. You gotta get to it. Spit on that thing. I'm just kidding. It's gonna be like right in front of it. Oh, see, okay, so it got close enough. Wait, open up in gazebo. Where's it? Oh, I think it hit it. It didn't hit it. Who knows? But look, it worked. Let's go. Huge. And then, you know what we're gonna check? We're gonna wait for it to get to that goal, and then we're gonna make it come back, and then, hopefully, if we've done this right, it's not going to try and go for the same AR tag again. All right, and now I'm gonna hit it with a. Go back to where you came from. That was so. Okay. It can't. It hasn't seen it yet. It hasn't seen it. Oh, come on. We'll know that it sees the. Oh, see. Okay, see, it saw the tag. It sees the tag, and it's not plotting a goal to it. Oh, fuck. All right. Well. Oh shit. Oh, and it's like plotting too? Okay, that's not ideal. Alright, clearly we've still got some work to do. Oh shit. Alright, so 2 bugs. We've got two bugs so far. Bug number 1, don't make it go up in the air. Let's not do that. So that's an easy fix. We just need to go 1 level deeper in the sub-nested messages. So in the position Z, we'll just ignore that, set it to 0. So actually by default it initializes to 0, so we can just leave it. But what we will do, the tag pose. Yeah, let's project it here. Like let's change it here. So yeah, I can make a pose thing. So let's go ahead and do tag pose. Oh, but I've already defined what tag pose is in the header file, right? I've defined, yeah, so I can go ahead and access the object attributes. So I can go ahead and do, oh, it's what is it actually again? It is a geometry messages pose. So what I'm accessing is dot position dot x. Okay, so that's what I want. So I want, I'll tell you what I want. Okay, I want dot position dot x. Dot position dot y. And then I think I also need the same thing here. Okay, great. Yeah, that should be it. So that's gonna give us, that's gonna stop it putting it up in the air. Now, the other error. Well, oh, why did I close others? The other error. That maybe wasn't actually a bug. Maybe the radius was just too low. Were those goals more than a meter apart? If they were more than a meter apart, then it wouldn't have overridden it. It would have considered it as another goal. Okay, let's bump this up to like 5. 5 is kind of crazy, but let's do 5. And let's bump this up to 3. 3 and 5. Then if I, no, don't save it. It's gonna mess it up. It's gonna like it's gonna add the tree model back in. It's gonna add in all the empty quotes. We're not doing that. Let's just do it manually. So update ARTagGoal, make that 5, and remove past goals. We can make that 3. Oh, and there's the scene tags thing. That didn't work either. Oh, I completely forgot about that. Okay, so this should be fixed. This should be fixed. Well, no, sorry, this is where the error is. Right. So scene AR tags. Oh, because we added on. Okay. So it's not a bug. It's an oversight. When I deleted remove past AR tags, the logic to add on the ID to scene IDs was in that node, which I deleted. And I never ported it over to ARTagDetected. So let me go ahead, HPP, and the CPP. I'm sorry, is this correct? Yes. Visiting goals, push back. Yeah, we can just append it to the end. Oh, this isn't even too crazy. Visiting goals, scene IDs. What's a scene ID again? Yeah, right. It's just a vector of integers. So let's go ahead and scene IDs. Oh, right. Because I have to. If I add the functionality here, scene ID, like add the ID to scene IDs, then it won't update the pose as it gets closer, because it's not it only updates the pose if it sees a new ID. But if I make it here that, oh, I'd seen this ID before, then it won't update the pose anymore. So we'll just be stuck with the first one. Okay, wait, this isn't too bad. This just means that scene IDs update ARTagGoal. We need scene IDs so that when it goes back around, it doesn't try to stop at the same AR tag. That's what it's for. How do I do this? I don't want it to stop at the same AR tag. I want it to go. That's why it had to be at remove past goals. I could just create my own remove past goals where the functionality is identical. It just has that one extra port. That's it. That's it. I think we're gonna have to keep that. I don't think it'll mess up the rest of the behavior tree. It's just one tiny functionality. Wait, but how will it not know? How does it know that it's arrived at an AR tag? The AR tag pose is just like a via point. So how will it know that it's at the right one? Because from the perspective of this node here is just removing via points as it gets close to them. It is not aware of any AR tag funny business at all. Right? It's completely ignorant to it. The only ones that are knowledgeable or aware of it, that are ticked sort of around the same time and proximity that AR tags are detected, are these two nodes. But these ones can't really remove the AR tag because I still need it to be seeing the ID before it arrives there. What if I copied the functionality from here into UpdateARTagGoal instead and had it in there? But then at that point, why don't I just copy into ARTagDetected? Because this node has everything you need. It has scene IDs, it has the ID of the AR tag, and it has the pose. And so if I just copy the functionality, the code that's responsible for checking, hey, is the rover close enough to this via point that I can remove it? Then I can simply check, hey, is the via point it's about to remove the same as the AR tag that we're looking for? If it is, add the ID to the to the motherfucking scene IDs array. So you know what? I'm thinking action node, new action node in here, and we create the radius as a variable blackboard variable, and yeah. Wait, but how am I gonna set it to 3? Should I set it to a blackboard variable? I shouldn't because nothing is setting its value. It's a constant value. I just want, like, I'm gonna have another node that's gonna have the same radius value that's gonna be running the same code as this. I should just change this. I should create a new remove past goals and AR tags, and what it should do is just have that added functionality that as it removes a via point, it checks, hey, is that via point I've just removed within some specified tolerance to the AR tag pose? Yes. Okay, then we just remove the AR tag, add its ID to the flippin' scene IDs thing. That'll work. But it's gonna be so ugly. This node's gonna be so ugly, dude. It's gonna have like 1,000,000 ports. Ew. Alright, save. Yuck. Remove past goals. Oh no, what? We're just adding a new node, right? Remove past goals and AR. Kind of a mouthful, I'm not gonna lie. Remove past goals and AR tags. Dude, what a chunky node, my guy. Okay. Alright, delete you. Hook my boy up. And then what? Alright, let me edit this now. Alright, thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think we need like 1, 2, 3. Fuck, this guy's like 9 billion ports. Alright. We need input goals. We're gonna need input goal. Goals. We're gonna need radius. We're gonna need scene IDs as an input, right? I don't believe it. Scene IDs? Have you seen my IDEs? What are my IDs at? Global frame, base frame, output goals. Love me some output goals. ID. Yep. What? Actually, no, I do want it to go down. I want my stuff to be separated. So adding these 3, and that's the other stuff, and then you are an output, and I'm gonna need one more scene IDs, and you're gonna be an output. Shut the fuck. Alright. Wait, do I need scene IDs as an input? Because I'm just adding the ID to scene IDs. That's all I'm doing. I don't have to check if it's already in there. It shouldn't be in there at all. Because otherwise ARTagDetected would have never popped off. Okay, cool. Pop off. Oh, look at how bad that looks, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Ew. Alright. This is an offense. Offense to mankind. Yada. Scene IDs. Yeah. Alright. And let's rearrange this. Alright, sick. Yes, sir. Right, and now I'm gonna have to implement another node. No, please let me be. It's wait. That's no way. It's 6. God. Damn it. All right. What did I name this thing again? Remove past goals and AR tags. Hit it. Remove past goals and AR tags. Action. Dot. HPP. Holy moly! What a mouthful. What an absolute mouthful. Alright, 1, 2, 3, CPP. Okay, and because we're essentially just copy the functionality. Not this one. Nav 2. There goes my hero. Alright. Okay. Action. Remove. Bomb. Alright. What are we doing? Let me get up those ports. Wait. It's saved. Let me just go ahead and pull up the there it is. Wait, that's not it. There it is. Great. Let me move this. Add it into here. It was an action. Add at the top. I don't care about the alphabet order right now. Great. Okay. Input. Okay, great. Don't need these things anymore. I will go ahead and pop this up. Close that. Well, I want the HPP up. Great, and let's go ahead and start adding these ports. Great. I believe that's this sorted. Do we need any new? I don't think we need any new variables. Any new? Nope. I think so. Don't need any new headers. Oh, my lord! I forgot about this. We're gonna change all this. The namespace and whatever. Here. Go ahead and we're gonna replace that with. Oh, actually, something very close. Pass goals and AR tags. It is tags, right? Better be. Oh shit! I hate it when I did this. All right, there we go. Yeah. It is tags. Yeah, there it is. All right, sick. And I think we're good. No, we're not. This one. RemovePassedGoalsAndARTags and ARTags. Right, you gotta be careful with that one. Wonderful. Let's go over here. Let's change all of these. Boom. Oh, I messed up. I want it to be action. Sorry. And leave that one as is, and then in here we'll do that. Great. Sick. Okay, go back to C++. What is going on in here? Oh, I don't need these anymore. So close that, and we can make this a bit bigger. So this will be over. I want to use that namespace. I think it's because we don't want to accidentally overwrite nodes with the same names. think that's what's going on. If I had to guess, I don't really know. I'm just copying the wisdom of those who came before. Go ahead. This here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. Remove past goals and tags. That is the name. I included the action in the name, right? Yeah, great. Cool. Sorry, let me remove all this. Great. So, what is up? Okay, I don't understand why this thing is importing path. There's no need for it, right? Alright, I'll leave it. But I don't believe there's any need for it. So, what did we say we wanted to do here? We don't want to change. We wanted to keep removing the via points. We wanted to do that. But what we also want to do is run a check that if the via point it is removing is within a specific tolerance. Do we want that tolerance to be toggleable? Did I just make up a word? Toggleable? Toggle? Toggleable? Toggleable. That's a word? Come on. No. Alright, I'm gonna look at Urban Dictionary. That's not wise. Toggleable. I'm gonna have to cut this. Oh shit. Alright, let's turn that down. What? 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 Toggleable. What? What are you saying? What is this? TikTok is bad. It's so over, dude. No. Why did I have to see this of all videos? Why is this the only video that shows up? It's so dramatic. Alright. That's... What an upsetting reveal. What an upsetting tangent to go on. Alright. Back to it. Okay. Dude, what was I even talking about? I was talking about the input ports. Because I wanted the radius for removing the via point to be a value. Do I want that? Right now, we're taking in the goal, comparing it with the via point that we're removing, and I'm going to add the ID to the scene IDs. I think we just... Well, technically speaking, the way that we've done this, the goal, the pose, no, that pose is specific down to like the 8th digit. There's no way that we're just going to do if pose equals pose. There has to be a tolerance. I think I'll just, you know what, I can't be bothered. I think I'll just hard code tolerance for now. Then again, what is one more port? One more port. 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 What? No. Fine. Alright. What am I gonna call this? Probably the same thing as, well, that's just radius. Great, they're both radius. Tolerance. I don't care how vague it is. I'm tired. I want this to be over. Let's put this up above input goals. So right here. Yeah. And I want this to be shocker. I'm going to do 3 meters. Just alright. Great. So I need to add yada 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 yada. I need to add input right about, yep. Tolerance, my boy, tolerance. And let's go ahead and add that as an input port as well. And this is going to be a double, right? Yeah. We're going to go ahead and call this tolerance. And we're going to call this radiance to input goal. No, we're going to call that ARTagGoal. No, that's ARTagDetected, sorry. Radius to ARTagDetected for it to be considered as seen. Okay, idea detected. Alright. Cool, and let's go ahead and add these strings to the, oh, why am I doing this? Add these strings to the section. Okay, great. You are done. You're done. Finished. Alright. That is done. I can now go ahead and implement this goddamn thing. Nope. Yes. Okay, sorry, I was in the wrong file. Okay. Let's go ahead. Not touching this. No, I do need to touch this. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I need to do this. Ah, tolerance. Go ahead and add that to here. Cool. No, because goal, scene IDs, ID, and input goal we want to be updated on tick, not on initialize. So we'll go ahead and keep them over here. Now, same thing. We want it to erase this pose. We want it to erase that, but before we erase it, we're gonna run this check. So same thing, distance, we're going to create another double, distance to ARTag, distance to tag is good. Distance to tag is going to be that, and, oh, and I need to go ahead and, create another goals. I assume this is imported. Okay, it is not, but this was copied from that too, so I'm sure it works somehow. Go ahead and do this. Echoes. No. Just tag. Actually, yeah, let's do tag. Tag, and then we're going to go ahead and do get inputs. Tag the pose, compare the distance, this is the tag, if this tag is within the tolerance. Okay, I'm going to change this to tag tolerance. It's just better. It's just better. This is transfer tolerance as well. Okay, I'm going to leave that one. And then here I'm going to do. That's not what I want. Just do that. Yeah, okay, cool. So tag tolerance, great. Tag tolerance is, yeah, cool. Cool. Tag tolerance. If distance to tag is less than or within our tag tolerance, then don't break, but we are simply, wait, Copilot cooked? Copilot kind of cooked. Copilot, not too bad. Not too bad, Copilot. I'm quite impressed. Yeah, bad. This is not bad. This is not bad. Have IDs been defined in the header for this? They have. Pretty good. Then we can go ahead and IDs, scene IDs, copy it over with the get input, push back. Yeah, we don't have to insert in the front. It doesn't matter where in the array it is. So we can put it anywhere. I don't like this. Also, you don't. Does this work? I was under the impression that get input need, you have to construct a variable or an object for it to copy the value into. I've never seen this before. I don't know where Copilot's getting this, and I don't trust it. So let's go ahead and just do integer ID. Yeah, thank you, Copilot. And go ahead and do that. So we construct ID, we copy the value over from the input port, we push it onto scene IDs, and then we set it as an output. Great. And so this code, so it's just this. This is what we've got. Plus the get. Oops. Oh no, tolerance. I should rename this port to tag tolerance. I should do that. Tag tolerance, and go ahead and rename it in here as well. Tag tolerance, and go ahead, and I'm actually gonna close root because I want to edit the behavior tree. Oh, the model's here anyway. Okay, great. What is it? Tolerance. Right, sorry. Tag tolerance. Okay, great. So, are we good? I think we're good, right? Tag tolerance, we're good. It's all defined. Oh, the semicolons. Do I have my semicolons where they need to be? Oh, I think I do. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Yep. And what this is doing is, if we are erasing, we're gonna check. Yes. What is it doing? If it is within the viewpoint radius, it's gonna remove the viewpoint. We're gonna check if the viewpoint is close to our tag. If it is, we are going to let it be erased, and we're just going to add the ID of the tag we're currently looking for to our get input. Sorry, what did I just say? We're going to add the ID of the tag we're looking for to our scene IDs and then set it as output. Sorry guys, I'm quite tired. So, enough yapping. It's wearing me out. And let's work this build. Go ahead. Oh, wait, hold up. I can still, let me change the behavior tree. I just need to clean it up, get rid of the double quotes. Rebuilds. I forgot to add to this part. Go ahead, we're going to do remove past goals and AR tags. Okay, boom, remove past goals. And then go ahead and add that to the active folder, the active file. Boom. All right, I think we're ready to just run it, correct? I believe so. Let's send it. So let's go ahead and load up Zebo. Open up the resource spawner. Add in this beautiful AR tag model. And go ahead. Okay, beautiful rotation. Let's go ahead and pull it up on the big screen. The big screen, bro. Oh, wait, that's way better. What the hell? And then gonna map through pose. We're gonna put a goal over there. And we're gonna send it. Alright. Does it see anything? Oh, sees it. Hey, what's... Come on! Oh, what? No way. No goal? Oh, dude, what have I done? No. Wait, maybe it's just too close. As in, like, it's adding it, but because of, like, the radius of at which it removes via points, it's actually deleting it. I set it to 5 meters, right? Yeah. Shh. Wait. Yeah? ARTagGoal? Oh man, now I'm lost. Where am I deleting stuff? ARTagDetected. No, that's where you update it. That's where you update it if it's within 5 meters. But removing tag tolerance. Let's lower that down to 1 meter. And let's lower this down to 2. Oh no, sorry. This should be, that should still be at 3, but this can go down to 2. Run that. Maybe it's just too close when it's locking on, so it's automatically getting removed. Avoiding the shit. Alright, Jarvis, put this. It's seeing it. Oh! Okay, yeah, it was the radius then. Because it's seeing it there, but it's not updating. How far is that? That's like roughly 1, 2, 3, 4 meters away. Oh no, it updated again. Yeah. Okay, now it's like, fuck, how do I get close to this thing? Oh, but it did. It got close enough. Okay, huge. And it's not up in the air anymore. Okay, so it was the radius thing. It's over here, so I want it to go back this way. And then this time, it shouldn't set a goal on the AR tag. There it is, right here. There it is, right there. I might get it to cancel just so I can get it to seeing it. That's a good look. That's a good lock on. Okay, and it's not going to it. Yeah, I'm gonna cancel. I'm going to waypoint. I'm going to boom. Start nav through pose. It's going to look at it. If it doesn't lock on, I'm gonna call that a success. I would call that a success. I mean, it looked right at it. I mean, there is one final thing I can do to check, and that's go ahead and like do an debugging logger that will just tell me what is currently within scene IDs. So we'll do that, and then I think this is the end of the tutorial. Hopefully. Run it. Scene IDs. Come on, set as a goal. What are you doing? Set as a goal, bro. Come on. See it. Alright, set as a goal. Alright, he's gonna try and navigate to it, and once he navigates to it, it should pop up in scene IDs. It shouldn't be there yet. It's in there. Guys, it's in there. You navigate to it. That's validation. That's validation. Huge. Huge. Alright. Tutorial over. We're done. We're done. It works. It works. I mean, I could go ahead and validate it even further, and I probably will do that off camera. Guys, I did a little bit of coding off camera. No, I'm just going to, oh gosh. Whoa, what did I do? I'm just going to add a little bit of just more debuggers and loggers throughout the custom nodes so we can get a better breakdown of what's going on. And then I'm going to push that to feature/BT, and you guys are going to be able to hopefully run this on your own devices and see how stuff works. So for now, this is goodbye for this set of tutorials. We'll probably make more in the future. But yeah, I hope you've learned something about behavior trees. We've gone through the entire process from, you know, the learning about it to designing it to implementing it and now running it. So cool. If there are any other questions you guys have or anything else you want to learn, just message me on Slack. But that's it for now. See ya.